A firm utilizing Dynamics 365 Business Central needs to facilitate the distribution of purchase and sales documentation to its vendors and clients. To enable this, you must configure email accounts within the system. Identify the two necessary configuration steps to complete this setup. Option A, link specific email accounts to the relevant document distribution scenarios. Option B, configure delegation rights for partner administrators to manage the tenant email account. Option C, establish daily message volume quotas for each individual email account user. Option D, define the users authorized to access and review messages sent through specific email accounts. Okay, let's explore each of these options one by one. Option A, linking specific email accounts to the relevant document distribution scenarios is the correct answer. This is how you tell the system which email account to use for certain purposes, such as sending invoices or purchase orders. Option B, configuring delegation rights for partner administrators to manage the tenant email account, is often incorrect. Tenant administrators already have that capability, so this is often a false answer. Option C, establishing daily message volume quotas for each individual email account user, is also incorrect. Microsoft typically provides those limitations through licensing, so the system doesn't usually set individual quotas itself. Option D, defining the users authorized to access and review messages sent through specific email accounts, is also incorrect. Unless you have a specific security module turned on, users generally have access to all the emails sent. So the correct answers are Option A and Option D.
This question tests your understanding of how the system manages external communication. Specifically, it focuses on the administrative process for linking email identity to specific workflows and ensuring appropriate access management for business documentation. You are expected to know which configuration settings within the Business Central email setup are functional requirements for sending documents, rather than administrative tasks performed at the broader Microsoft 365 service level.
In my view, the correct answers are options A and D. To configure email functionality in Dynamics 365 Business Central, you must first define which email accounts are used for specific business tasks. This is achieved by assigning email accounts to scenarios, such as mapping a specific account to handle sales or purchase orders. Therefore, option A is a necessary step.
Additionally, because businesses often use shared accounts, you must define who has permission to utilize these accounts and view the associated sent messages, making option D correct. Option B is incorrect because managing delegate permissions is a tenant-level task in Exchange, not a Business Central configuration. Similarly, option C is incorrect because message volume limits are enforced by the mail provider, such as Exchange Online, rather than being managed within the Business Central setup page.